Are you trying to find the best iPhone MagSafe Car Mount? If yes, you have come to the right place. The below is a list of the top 6 best iPhone MagSafe Car Mount. Be sure to read my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more update videos to the channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Consequently, let's begin the video pretty quickly. Number 1. A dependable, entry-level wireless charging solution is Apple's exclusive MagSafe charger. It is incredibly quick and has received a ton of excellent customer feedback while just using 15 watts. Simply put the charger into an outlet, attach the charger end to the back of your iPhone 12 or 13, or the case for your AirPods Pro, and charging will begin. It is disappointing that the Apple MagSafe charger does not come with one of those white power bricks you need to charge all Apple mobile devices, despite being well made, attractively designed, and capable of fast charging. Nevertheless, you are always welcome to use the one that came with your iPhone or purchase a new one. The MagSafe charger is a powerful solution for charging your laptop on the go. The magnetic connection helps keep the cable in place, so there's no fear of it coming loose and getting tangled. And with Quick Charge 3.0 technology and up to 50-watt power output, you can recharge twice as fast as standard chargers. Number 2. We advise using this MagSafe charging solution from UTech if you don't want to pay Apple fees. It has positive reviews and is likely the cheapest MagSafe charger you'll find. It also works with all of the same Apple products, including all iPhone 12 and 13 models, the next iPhone 14 models, and AirPods models with wireless charging covers. It lacks a stand and has a very simple style, but it has 2 ports, one Type-C connector and one USB-A port, so you may charge a range of gadgets and adapters with them. Despite some user complaints that the magnets are somewhat weak and the charging is slow, did we not just mention that it only costs $12? It is the newest technology in phone charging, and it is the best way to recharge your smartphone. The one-piece magnetic pad does not have any contact with the surface, therefore it can be used anywhere in your home or office. Number 3. It makes sense that Anker would release a power brick that is compatible with the MagSafe connector, as they are likely best known for their line of external battery packs and chargers. This little device attaches to the back of your iPhone and provides a 5-watt charge of up to 5 mAh, which translates to approximately 17 hours of movie playback. Although it is not the fastest charger you'll find, and the amperage may not be enough for a full charge if you have a more recent iPhone, it is well designed and undoubtedly useful. However, it will undoubtedly be useful on trips and days out for the majority of users. Charge your smartphone, tablet, and more quickly than ever with the powerful Anker 622 portable charger. With this slim and portable charger, you can charge your mobile device up to 2 times faster than other standard USB chargers. Usable on most devices and blocks harmful electromagnetic waves. Number 4. Your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods can all be charged at once with this Belkin 3-in-1 charger, which has the same futuristic bedside lamp appearance. A desk is an ideal place to watch videos or use FaceTime thanks to the charger's slanted design, which also functions as a support for your iPhone. A smooth, Apple-inspired design is something else we like. The Belkin MagSafe 3-in-1 is significantly more expensive than 3 separate MagSafe chargers individually, despite having so much more to offer. While you will undoubtedly save clutter, this charging device is unquestionably a luxury. The Belkin MagSafe 3-in-1 wireless charger seamlessly integrates Qi wireless charging into your everyday life. Simply plug the charger into a wall outlet, and you're ready to go. Your phone doesn't need to be fully charged before charging, and can still be used while it charges. Number 5. The oddest new uses for Apple technology are always created by independent manufacturers. The 2-in-1 MagSafe stand and wallet is an ingenious addition to the collection of MagSafe accessories despite its lack of power and few moving components. The wallet attaches to the back of your gadgets and unfolds to use as a handy stand. It is slimmer than the iPhone itself, fits 3 cards and some cash, and can be propped up in either portrait or landscape orientation. Keep in mind when using the wallet that a few user reviews have complained about how tightly the cards fit in it. Keep your iPhone on you at all times with the MagSafe wallet stand for iPhone with its built-in magnetic grip. This super slim case keeps it from falling off when you're on the go. The flock texture is soft and easy to grip even when wearing gloves. Number 6. Nearly any surface in your car may be attached to this mount with a snap. Remember that this is merely a mount and not a charger, though. 3 different model kinds are offered. One has a suction cup for attaching to dashboard surfaces, one is for cup holders, and one has a clip for attaching to an air vent. With a telescopic arm that can extend the stand to 11.3 inches and an adjustable hinge, the Suction 1 Tap has these capabilities. An adjustable swing arm with 360-degree rotation is included with the air vent model. You can purchase variants with or without metal attachment rings, as well as a rhinestone-adorned air vent mounted model. The Spigen one-tap bling designed for MagSafe Car is designed to keep the iPad fully charged while it is in your car. The cable also has a USB-A port and an integrated magnet that makes it easy to plug in or remove your device using magnets. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so please subscribe to my channel. Check out my description if you need more information or want to know the price of the product. Please leave a comment if you have any problems. Stay up to date on our cool products because it will make your life much easier.